Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the wireless keyboard. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea. What does it look like when it comes in? What's packaging like? What's quality like? Etc. So this is model PC3882. As always, I will link the item to my video. I'll give you a look at the back of it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up, I'm going to show it to you, and then I will plug it into my computer and give you a look at it on the computer. So the reason I got this one is I have a wireless keyboard, but mine uses a dongle, and I wanted a Bluetooth one because I don't have enough USB ports on my computer, so I went with this one because it is Bluetooth. So let's take a look at the keyboard. Instruction manual. Hopefully it's going to be pretty basic. I don't even plan on looking at the instruction manual. 2.4 gigahertz mode. Bluetooth 1 mode, Bluetooth 2, 3, and then you can also wire the keyboard if you want to. I'm not sure how well you'll be able to see that, but and then let's take a look at the keyboard itself. The other thing I like is I don't like a flat keyboard. I wanted actual keys. The more clicking, the better. To me, I like the keys that stick up. There is a dongle in the event that you want to do it. Again, I'm not planning on using the dongle, but it's nice that they give you that option as well. I'm planning on using the Bluetooth functionality. Not sure how well you'll be able to see it, but you do have an off switch on the back. And then you can set it to the different parameters. The 2.4 gigahertz is one of the options, and then Bluetooth is another option. I'll give you a look so you can see the specs of the keyboard. Hopefully you can see that okay. You've got the feet on each end if you want to set the keyboard up. The bottom ones do not open, they're just rubber, so it keeps it from sliding. Anyway, not a whole lot to show you because the keyboard. Let's see what else we've got. I think that's just to keep the cord from sliding around. And here's the power cord in the event that you want to cord and plug in the keyboard. It is a Type-C cable. In case you're curious, it is not an Android cable, it's a Type-C cable with a regular USB end. So let's go ahead and let's plug it in. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so basically all I did is I've got my laptop now. I took the keyboard, all I did is turn it over. For my sake, I went to the back and I switched the power button from off to Bluetooth, from BT for Bluetooth. As soon as I did it on my computer, there was a message popped up that said, "Did I want to connect to the Bluetooth device?" I clicked OK, and I was up and ready to go. You'll notice that my screen is not lit up. The keyboard is on. When you haven't done anything for a while, it'll basically shut off the display to save battery life, but it is still running. If I press any button, it will turn the keyboard back on. I'm going to go ahead and turn off my backlight or my overhead light so you can see what the keyboard looks like. It is really cool when it's lit up. Even my kids who are video gamers and have their gaming keyboards were oohing and on and fighting over this thing. Totally wireless. The keyboards are nice and tall, very clicky, very responsive. As soon as you type, it registers on your device. Unfortunately, you can't see me type and see it on my screen. You're just going to have to trust me that the response time, there's no lag or anything like that. Again, once you let it sit there for a few minutes, if you're not typing, if you're typing on it, it'll stay lit up. If you're not typing on it, it will eventually shut off the light. I will say this, I haven't looked at the settings yet. I'm not sure if you can adjust the light scheme at all, but this is what it looks like when it is lit up. I'll tell you what I'll do is I'll close my computer screen so you can get a better look at it. One final thing I did want to mention is if you do want to turn off the lights on the keyboard, you can do that. The number lock will be the only thing that will be lit up. It's very simple. You can basically press function and print screen, and that's how you toggle the lights on or off. So now they're on. If I want to turn them off, I've turned off my lights, but my keyboard will still work. I hope the video helped.